This is Srila Prabhupada's auntie house. Srila Prabhupada's mother Rajini Mata's elder sister Lakshmi Mani house. Rajini Mata, she came here 1 month before, and Janmashtami day near Radha Madan Mohan Mandir. Near.
Okay.
She went to participate in Kirtan, and that time she unconsciousness,
Okay.
and already took and kept here delivery room.
Okay.
And next day, Nandasate 4 p.m. Srila Prabhupada was born here, this place. And this is Jackpurti, under Jackpurti, Srila Prabhupada was born. Srila Prabhupada himself mentioned, this is my birthplace, please purchase the land, I will build memorial. Later give to Sankarsanpur. Sankarsanpur is Srila Prabhupada auntie grandson. Later here. And from 1977, we will die, and we got this place 2021.